Avoid negative subjective comments. Speaking objectively means discussing things that exist outside and are independent of the speaker's consciousness or intentions. Subjective speaking, on the other hand, involves expressing personal opinions that include individual judgments or evaluations. Example: after a long time, you meet a high school classmate. "Hi, Lindsay. Oh, you've gotten so thin." The phrase, "Hi, Lindsay," mentioning her name is objective, as it exists independently of your intentions. However, the phrase, "Oh, you've gotten so thin," is subjective. Some might perceive it as being thin, while others may think it looks perfect. A fact is that people who are thin often don't like being told they're thin, just as people who are overweight don't appreciate having it pointed out. If Lindsay indeed has lost weight, such a comment is likely to make her feel uncomfortable. Another example: on a flight from Hanoi to Saigon, a young man was seated next to a woman in her early 20s, with a middle-aged man around his 50s on the other side of her. The woman took out a bunch of grapes from her bag and cheerfully offered some to the young man, who happily accepted. After a few casual questions, the young man said to her, "When we land, why don't you and your father stop by my place?" The woman's expression changed as she replied, "This is my husband, not my father." After apologizing, the young man received no further words from her. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next ones. This video will help you convey messages clearly and engagingly, leaving a positive impression on viewers and encouraging them to apply these habits in their lives.